ready to spot the next crypto winners. Today, we're revealing the top 5 altcoins dominating November 2025. These aren't random picks. Each coin is making major moves, landing huge partnerships, and their charts are going parabolic. My team and I have spent weeks analyzing every detail to bring you this list. We'll break down why Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, Chainlink, and Arbitrum are exploding right now. Watch until the end for a bonus tip that could be even bigger than these 5 coins. Don't miss out. This could change your financial future. Let's dive in. First up is Solana, a blockchain that's been making headlines and turning heads across the entire crypto space. If you've been following the markets, you know Solana isn't just another altcoin, it's a force of nature, and right now, it's rewriting the rules of what's possible in crypto. This November, Solana shocked everyone with a jaw-dropping rally, sending its price soaring to levels no one expected. The surge wasn't just a fluke or a pump, it was backed by real momentum, real news, and real adoption. Traders and investors scrambled to get in, and the excitement was palpable across exchanges worldwide. The real game changer, Solana's groundbreaking partnership with Tesla. In a move that stunned both the tech and crypto industries, Solana Pay is now integrated into Tesla's global charging stations. Imagine pulling up to charge your Tesla and paying instantly, securely, and with almost zero fees using Solana. This isn't just a cool feature, it's a massive leap for real-world crypto adoption, showing how blockchain can power everyday transactions on a global scale. The impact was immediate. As news of the Tesla partnership broke, SOL's price went vertical. We're talking about a surge that left even seasoned crypto veterans in awe. This is what happens when innovation meets real utility. Markets respond, and they respond fast. But Solana didn't stop there. The recent quantum upgrade has catapulted Solana's performance to new heights, pushing its speed to over 1 million transactions per second. That's not just fast, it's record-breaking. No other blockchain comes close, and this kind of throughput opens the door for massive scaling, from DeFi to gaming to global payments. Developers are taking notice in a big way. The Solana ecosystem is exploding with new projects. DeFi protocols, NFT marketplaces, and innovative dApps are launching at a record pace. The network's low fees and lightning speed make it the go-to choice for builders who want to push the boundaries of what's possible in Web3. And it's not just retail investors who are excited. Institutional money is pouring in, with big players and crypto whales buying every dip. They see the potential for Solana to become a foundational layer for the next generation of finance and technology. The Solana community is more energized than ever before. From online forums to packed conferences, the passion and belief in Solana's future is fueling even more momentum. This is a movement, not just a market trend. With its groundbreaking technology, high-profile partnerships, and relentless demand from both users and developers, Solana is setting a new standard for what a blockchain can achieve. It's not just keeping up, it's leading the way. If you're not paying attention to Solana right now, you could be missing out on one of the biggest opportunities in the entire crypto market. The momentum is real, the adoption is real, and the upside is massive. Solana isn't just surviving, it's thriving, it's an absolute beast, and it's showing the world what unstoppable really looks like. Number 2 on our list is Polygon, a project that's been making waves in the crypto world for all the right reasons. While some blockchains chase hype, Polygon has been quietly and methodically building a crypto empire, brick by brick, with a focus on real-world utility and developer adoption. One of Polygon's most impressive achievements is the launch of ZK EVM 2.0. This technology is a true game-changer, allowing developers to create secure, lightning-fast, and cost-effective decentralized applications directly on Ethereum, but with the scalability and efficiency that only Polygon can provide. Just this month alone, more than 100 new decentralized apps, including blockbuster games like Ethereum Chronicles, have chosen Polygon as their home. This surge is bringing millions of new users into the ecosystem, expanding the reach and influence of Polygon across the entire crypto landscape. The results speak for themselves. Daily active wallets on Polygon have tripled in a matter of weeks, signaling a massive influx of activity and engagement from both new and existing users. As a result, demand for Matic, the native token powering the Polygon network, is absolutely surging. with more people than ever before using it for transactions, staking, and more. Polygon's DeFi ecosystem is also thriving, recently hitting an all-time high in total value locked. This means more assets, more users, and more opportunities for growth within the network. And it's not just crypto natives taking notice. Global brands like Starbucks are now integrating with Polygon, leveraging its technology to power their own digital initiatives and loyalty programs. Matic is absolutely essential for paying transaction fees on the network, making it a core part of the Polygon experience for every user and developer. But it doesn't stop there. Matic is also used for staking, securing the network, and participating in governance decisions that shape the future of Polygon. The steady uptrend in Matic's price isn't just speculation. It's a reflection of real, fundamental growth and increasing adoption across the board. The Polygon community is stronger than ever, filled with passionate developers, investors, and users who are all in for the long haul and deeply believe in Polygon's vision for a decentralized Web3 future. Polygon has evolved far beyond being just a simple Ethereum sidechain. Today, it stands as a dominant force in the blockchain space, driving innovation and adoption at a global scale. With explosive growth, top-tier partnerships, and a relentless focus on technology, Polygon is building a digital empire that's here to stay. If you're looking for the next big thing in crypto, don't sleep on Matic. Polygon's story is just getting started. Third is Avalanche, the blockchain built for speed. Avalanche's unique subnets let apps run at lightning pace without slowing the network. This month, the Hyperion subnet launched for institutional finance, with banks like JP Morgan experimenting on Avalanche. Transaction finality is under 1 second, faster than a credit card. DeFi users and gamers are flocking to Avalanche for its speed and low fees. AVAX has broken major resistance levels, with huge buy volume from both retail and institutions. Staking AVAX offers attractive yields, reducing supply and boosting price. The community is passionate and growing, with major gaming guilds migrating to Avalanche. Avalanche's tech, adoption, and ecosystem make it a serious contender for blockchain's future. Speed is Avalanche's ultimate weapon. Fourth is Chainlink, the Oracle network that's quietly becoming the backbone of the entire blockchain ecosystem. Chainlink acts as a bridge, connecting blockchains to real-world data, APIs, and traditional financial systems. Without oracles like Chainlink, blockchains would be isolated, unable to interact with the outside world or each other. This month, Chainlink made a huge leap forward by launching its Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, or CCIP. This protocol is a game-changer, allowing different blockchains to communicate, share data, and transfer assets seamlessly. Imagine sending tokens or information from Ethereum to Solana or Avalanche in just seconds, all powered by Chainlink's secure infrastructure. Every major blockchain is racing to integrate CCIP, recognizing that interoperability is the key to unlocking the next wave of innovation. With CCIP, Chainlink is positioning itself at the very center of the multi-chain universe, enabling a future where blockchains work together instead of competing in silos. One of the most significant moves is Chainlink's partnership with Swift, the global messaging network used by banks worldwide. This collaboration is bridging the gap between traditional finance and crypto, making it possible for trillions of dollars in value to flow seamlessly between old and new financial systems. The adoption numbers are staggering. Over 2,000 projects now rely on Chainlink's Oracle services, from DeFi protocols and NFT platforms to insurance and gaming applications. Chainlink has become the industry standard for secure, reliable data feeds and cross-chain connectivity. At the heart of this ecosystem is the Link token. Link powers the network, incentivizing node operators to provide accurate data and secure services. With the introduction of staking, Link is becoming even more scarce, as holders lock up their tokens to earn rewards and support the network's security. As more decentralized applications, financial institutions, and even governments adopt Chainlink, the demand for Link continues to grow. This increased utility and adoption are reflected in Link's price and its reputation as a blue-chip crypto asset. The Chainlink community, known as the Link Marines, is legendary in the crypto space. Their unwavering conviction and grassroots support have helped propel Chainlink to the top, and now their patience is being rewarded as the project delivers on its promises. Today, Chainlink is more than just an oracle. It's essential infrastructure for Web3, DeFi, and the future of digital finance. Developers, enterprises, and institutions are building on Chainlink because it's trusted, secure, and battle-tested. With CCIP and massive adoption, Chainlink is truly the backbone of the decentralized economy. If you're looking for a project that's connecting everything and shaping the future of finance, don't overlook Link. Rounding out the list is Arbitrum, a leader in Ethereum scaling. Arbitrum's optimistic rollups deliver near-instant, ultra-cheap transactions with Ethereum-level security. This month, Arbitrum Nova exploded in activity, powering Reddit's community points for millions of users. Arbitrum 1 leads all Layer 2s in total value locked, with top DeFi projects thriving on the network. The Arbitrum Odyssey campaign is driving record user growth and engagement. The RB governance token gives the community real power over the network's future. Developers can easily deploy Ethereum apps on Arbitrum, fueling rapid ecosystem growth. On-chain metrics, users, transactions, TVL are all surging. Arbitrum is scaling Ethereum for the masses, with unstoppable momentum this November. It's a must-watch for anyone in crypto. That's our list. Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, Chainlink, and Arbitrum are dominating November 2025. Remember, crypto moves fast. Always do your own research. Here's your bonus tip. Watch for decentralized physical infrastructure networks, DePIN, in 2026. Projects building real-world infrastructure with crypto incentives. We'll cover DePIN in depth soon, so subscribe and turn on notifications. What's your top altcoin pick? Drop it in the comments. If you found value, hit subscribe for more cutting-edge crypto insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.